Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I haven't filmed in so long and I haven't been motivated or had time to film anything because I was with my finals and final works and everything, and I finally finished this semester. It has been really hard and I'm just really happy that I finally ended the semester. And today I am going to be reviewing the Profusion Siennas eyeshadow palette. I bought it yesterday and it's a little bit broken. I just noticed that right now. It's broken right here. I got it on Marshall's. I didn't get it online or anything, but I did go into the Profusion website, and they have so many pretty eyeshadow palettes for like holiday, and they're so affordable. I don't want to use the word cheap, I just want to use the word affordable. And I opened it yesterday and I took off the little plastic that comes in it. These are the shades right here. I really like the colors and they look super pretty, and it comes with a dual-ended brush, and this brush feels really nice on both sides, so I'm definitely going to be using the brush. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I do and you guys want to see how this look turns out and how I feel about this palette, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so you may notice that the lighting is not as I normally film, and it's because where I film is at the front door, literally in front of my front door, and there is like a little plastic Merry Christmas thing, and it just wipes out most of the lighting, pero like whatever. So I'm just going to be doing I was thinking of doing like a smoky halo eye with the browns, and I've been doing a lot of brown lately. Bueno, I haven't been filming in a while, so I cannot say that, but if you guys go to my Instagram, I have like colorful look, brown, colorful, brown, and it's like really annoying. And in the last video I had a look, it was brown with green, so like I have to try to do something more with the reds in this eyeshadow palette. I really like how this one looks, so I think I'm just going to be starting with the shade Serendipity, and I'm going to be using the Profusion brush. It's a little bit of foul there, but like, let's see if this is as pigmented as I want it to be. Okay, now that I'm done blending out that yellow, I'm going to be taking the shade Dynasty to deepen up the crease. And for that, I'm going to be taking a Beauty Treats, the 305 Tampering Blending Brush. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Devoted, and I'm going to be placing it in the inner and outer parts of my eye. And to do that, I'm going to be using the Simply Essential E04 brush. I'm going to be taking the shade Conquest, and I'm going to be placing it in the middle of my eye. And for that, I'm going to be using the flat eyeshadow brush side of the dual-ended brush. Now I'm going back to the shade Devoted, and I'm going to reapply a little bit more of that shade in the inner and outer part of my eye. Okay, for now, that's what I have with the eyes. I really enjoyed the matte shadows. The shimmer one or glitter one, whatever, didn't convince me as much as I wish it did. I think I'll have to apply a little bit more in this eye. Looks a little bit weird. Oh shoot. I don't know, it just doesn't convince me. For me, it's nothing special. It's just a little bit, it's another shimmer shade for me. So now I'm going to be doing the face out of camera, and I'll be right back to finish the eyes and give my full-on review on this look. Okay, I'm back. So now I'm going to be taking the shade Daring, and I'm going to be placing it in the lower part of my eye. I'm going to be using a small brush for this. I'm going to be using the Beauty Treats 321 medium angled shader.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming back. What's up? What's ready to talk shit?
Now I'm going to be taking a small brush, and I'm going to be taking the shade Conquest again, and I'm going to be placing it in the middle. Nah. Okay, I will. Okay babes, for my final thoughts on these eyeshadow palettes, I think it's beautiful. The shades blended out beautifully. The only shade that was like about was the shade Conquest, but I still used it as inner corner highlight and as brow bone highlight. It still looks beautiful. I'm really happy with these eyeshadow palettes, and it's definitely a steal. I got it at Marshall's for $7, pero in their website is at $10, so I think it's great. And for the quality of the shadows, it's a perfect price. I think that this is worth more than $10, pero no me quejo because it's $10 and it's pretty pigmented. The shadows blended beautifully, and also the brush that it comes with, it's a great brush. I'm definitely going to be using that brush a lot, and it helped blend this shade beautifully. And I'm going to be swatching the other shimmer shades that I didn't use. This one is Solist. This one is DC. And I'm going to oh shit, man. Sure. Okay. I'm going to be blending. Swatching. They're so pretty. This one is like duochrome situation. And now I'm going to be swatching Tickle, Certain, and last but not least, Bite. really pretty. Okay, so I think now I'm finished with this video completely. Like I said before, I'm in love with it, and yeah. Oh wait, there's another shade, exclusive, but it's not like a shimmer shade. Maybe I could use it as a highlighter for the face, definitely. And the shade Polite is, no, it's matte. Yeah, it's like matte, pero like tiene a little bit of like glitter on it. But yeah, I think I swatched the rest. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I feel super weird because I haven't filmed in a while, like I said before on the start of this video, pero I'm back and now I have a lot of time to film, so I am going to be doing a couple of videos. I am planning on doing like a 2018 favorites video because I have tried lots of products, especially highlighters. That's totally normal out of me. I'm always doing like highlighters and everything. So yeah, if you guys want to keep watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below whatever you guys want to see in my channel. So oh yeah, and my socials will be on the description box, and the products that I used on my face. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye.